Time to give your espresso machine a thorough clean. Don't forget to prepare the cleaning supplies. Remove the used portafilter. Separate the filter and portafilter. Rinse the filter basket and portafilter under running water. Brush the inside and outside of the portafilter and filter basket. Soak the filter basket in hot water for 10 minutes. Now, let's prepare the descaling solution. Pour the citric acid descaling powder into the water. Stir until it dissolves. Pour the cleaning solution into the water tank up to the max line. Press the power button to turn on. The flashing indicator means the machine is heating up. Once the indicator stays on, the machine is ready. Place a container under the group head press and hold the power button for 6 seconds. The power and standby indicators will flash. Turn the control dial to the single cup position. These 3 indicators will flash together. Hot water will flow from the group head. Once the water stops flowing, these 3 indicators will flash quickly to indicate the next step. Turn dial to the steam position. These 3 indicators will flash at the same time. Hot water will pass through from steam wand. When the water stops, these 3 indicators flash quickly to indicate for next step. Now rinse off the descaling solution. Remove the water tank, rinse it thoroughly. Refill it with cleaning water. Put the water tank back into place. Turn the control dial to the hot water position. These 3 indicators will flash together. The steam wand will dispense hot water. After the water stops, these 3 indicators will flash quickly to indicate the next step. Turn the control dial to the double cup position. These 3 indicators will flash together. Hot water will flow from the group head. Once the water stops, these 3 indicators will flash quickly to indicate the next step. Turn the control dial to the standby position. Remove the drip tray, empty and clean it. And then reinstall it back into the machine. Wipe down the machine with a cloth. All done. Your espresso machine is now clean and ready to brew again.